man and ma. I think ma is the meaning of ma was what,
What?
and the meaning of man was who.
Yes.
Yes. So this is haza maktab. This is desk. This is a
Has a
summary of previous class.
okay.
Uh, haza masjid. This is mosque. Right. Haza qalamun.
This is pen.
Haza sarirun. This is a bed.
Hmm.
Ma haza. What's this?
Yes.
Haza kursiyun.
This is chair.
This is chair. And ahaza baitun. Ahaza, is this baitun, house? Is this a house? Yes. La, no. Haza masjid. This is mosque. Ma haza. What's this? Ma. Meaning of ma. What's?
What?
So ma haza. Yes. Ma haza. What is this? And here is man haza. Who is this?
Who's this?
Haza miftahun. This is a key.
Okay.
And man haza. Who is this?
Hmm.
Right. So man haza. This is who is this? Haza tabibun. This is a
Doctor.
doctor.
Hmm.
Tabib. You can see this is tabib. Here you can see
Tabib.
what? Uh, what is
Tabib.
this? Ta. Yes, right. And then there is a one dot below of this, so it's a ba.
Ah.
Yes. So it's tabib. Ta, and this is ba. Tabi, and this is the second ba. So
Okay.
there is a ya in the middle.
Okay.
You can see. Yes, because there is the two dot. Uh, yes, this one. Tabiba. So first is ta, second is ba, and third one is ya, tabi, and then ba, tabib.
So I have a question. I don't know if I asked you this last time, but so we write the alphabets, right?
Hmm.
Why is there a long line in between the alphabets? Is it necessary or no?
Yes. Hmm. It's not necessary what you ask about. So it's not necessary. You can see here, tabiba, tabibatun. You can see there is no space.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, and here there is a long space you can see. So it's not necessary. You can skip it.
Okay.
Yes. And man haza, it means that who is this? Who is this children? So haza walad. It means that this is a child. Walad means child.
Walad.
Uh, it yes, child, and you can say son. Waladi, my son. If you say
Okay.
waladi, my son, waladuka, your son,
Mm.
waladuke, your son, waladuhu, his son, waladuha, her son. Got it?
Yes.
Very good. So after this, man haza, who is this? Haza talibun. This is a student. Haza talibun. This is a student. Uh, what was the meaning of a? Ahaza is this.
Is this?
Ahaza is this waladun? Is this a child?
Is
So la, no. Haza, yes. Is this a waladun? Ahaza waladun? La, no. Haza, this is rajul. Rajul means man. This is a man.
it, please?
So a man. Rajulun, rajulun. Haza,
Hmm.
rajulun. This is a man.
Rajulu.
Right. Rajulun, man. Walad means child. Rajul means uh, man. And this is talibun. Talib means student.
Talib. Yeah, Talibun is male student. Talibatun is female student.
Talibun, male student. Right. Very good. Excellent.
Okay.
This is talibatun, female student. Man haza. Man haza. Who is this? So haza tajirun. This is a trader, businessman. You can say tajir, businessman, trader. Uh, this one. Tajirun. Tajiratun for female and tajirun for male.
And Tajirun means cloth. No.
Not cloth, but a trader. Trader, businessman.
Oh, businessman. Okay.
Yes, tajir. No, tajiratun for female, tajirun for male. Trader. Mahaza. Uh, what's the meaning of mahaza?
What is this?
Right, very good. What is this? Haza masjid. This is a mosque. Masjidun. Haza kalbun. This is a dog. This is kaf and this is lam and this is ba. Kalbun, dog.
Kalbun.
Right, kalbun, dog. Ahaza kalbun. Is this a dog? Is this a dog? La,
La.
no. La, no. Haza. This is qittun. Qittun means this
Cat.
one, cat. Right, cat.
Kittun.
Yes, qittun. Right, cat. Qittun. This is the qaf, q. Qittun. Haza himarun. Himar means donkey. Himarun. Himarun. So this is the practice. That's why it is repeated. Uh, Ahaza
Himarun. Himarun is
himarun. Yes, right. Himarun. Himar means donkey. Himarun. Hemaron. You can write.
Himarun.
Hmm. So this is a horse. So ahaza himarun. Is this a donkey? Ahaza, is this a donkey? La, no. Haza hisanun. This is a horse. Hisanun. Hisanun.
Hisanun.
H-E, yes, Hesaano. Hisanun. Right. Wama hada, and what's this? Haza jamalun. Jamal means camel. Jamalun, camel. Jamalun, camel. Ma haza? Haza deacon. Monster.
Bikun.
Hmm.
I think there was a word similar to beacon.
What was this?
I think we had one more word similar to beacon.
Hmm.
Orhai. Orhai.
Similar to the deacon.
Did you say deacon D?
Hmm.
Ah, D, D. Okay. Deacon.
Oh, what was this? Deacon.
No, there was a word like Orhai bu bikum.
أرحب بكم.
I think it's I welcome you.
أرحب بكم. Yes, this is I welcome you. أرحب بكم. I welcome you.
Okay.
Yes, that
But is
was.
it same spelling, Bikun or Dikun? Decun.
This one.
Yeah.
Yes, this is D kun.
Okay.
D. Yes, D double E C O or K O. You can write. So D kun. Hmm. Man haza. Who is this? Haza mudarrisun. Mudarris means teacher. Mudarrisun. Mudarrisun. Mudarrisun.
Mudarris.
Mudarrisun. Yes, teacher. So, what can we say for female teacher? What can we use?
Mudarrisatun.
Right, excellent, very good. Mudarrisun, teacher. So this is a exercise, one more exercise. Ma haza, what's this? Haza qalamun, this is a pen. Haza kalbun. Kalb means dog.
Has a kalb.
Man, yes, right. Man haza, who is this? Haza tabibun. So there is no space you can see here.
Yes.
Is there any space? So
No, no.
it means that it is not necessary. It's your choice. So haza tabibun, this is doctor. Haza jamal, so jamal. So you can write jamal. You can write here. So you can skip the space.
Okay.
So haza jamal, this is camel. You can skip this space as well. So haza kalbun, this is dog. Ahaza dikun, naam, naam, yes, naam, yes.
Yeah, Nam. Nam is yes.
Hmm. Ahaza kalbun, is this a dog? La,
Has a,
no. Haza qitun, this is a cat. Ahada hisanun, hisan means horse. Is this a horse? La, no. This is naam, yes. And this is la, no, no.
has
Haza
Himarun.
himarun, this is a donkey. Ahada waladun, is this a child? So naam, yes. Naam, yes.
So
Man
Walad is
ha,
Walad
hmm?
is a son, male.
Walad is the son male, yes. And
Daughter,
for female, for yes, for daughter we will say bent,
Bent.
bent, yes, bent, Bent, bent. Hmm. Man hada, who is this? Hada rajulun, this is a man. Hada rajulun, this is a man. Is it clear?
Yes,
Right. So you can see here in English, ma haza, what's this? Haza kitabun, this is a book. Haza baytun, is this a house? Naam, yes. Haza baytun, this is a house. Bayt. La, no. You can see here, no. Haza masjid, this is a mosque. Man haza, who is this? Haza bayt, this is a house. Haza bayt, is this a house? So the meaning of is. So it's the difficult word. Walad, boy. Boy, son, child. So
it's a vocabulary.
Hmm. Student, talibun, student. Rajulun, man, rajulun. Tajirun. That's the jim because there is a dot. That's
It's
also jim.
Tajirun
Jim.
or Tajibun.
Hmm. This one,
Yeah.
tajirun. There is
Run.
a R in the last ra. Tajirun. Merchant. This is kalb. Dog. This is qit. Qit cat. This is himar. Donkey. This is hisan. Horse. This is jamal. Jamalun. Camel. This is the roaster. Mudarrisun, teacher. Mindilun, handkerchief.
Mindilu.
Yes, handkerchief. Mindilun. Min, M-E-N, D, double E-L or I-L. You can write. Mindilun. Baitun, house. Mosque, masjidun. Babun, door. Kitabun, book. You have, I think, already written. So, qalamun, pen. Miftahun, key. Maktabun, desk or writing table. Maktabun. Maktabun. Sarirun, bed. Kursiyun, chair. Najmun, star. Star. Qamisun, shirt. Shirt. Qamisun. Tabibun, doctor. Tabibun. So, haza uh, means this.
Yes.
Yes, for masculine, for male,
Oh, Haza is only for males.
for male, only for males, and hazihi for female.
Okay.
Hmm. Both are for close thing, just like this, not for that.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, yes. So haza for male and zalika as well for male. This is zalika, zalika. So this space you can skip this, write this. You can write it just like this. Got it?
Yes. And what is Zalika?
Zalika means that.
That. Okay.
Haza, yes, Haza and Zalika. Both are for male. That, but what the difference is Haza means this and Zalika means that.
Okay.
Hmm. So Haza for male, the meaning of Haza is this, and Zalika for male,
That.
but that. Ma Zalika, what's that?
What
The
is that?
far thing. Yes, what is that?
Command.
Yes, yes, it is so far. Got it? This star is so far, that's why he said Mazalika, not Mahaza, Mazalika. So, uh, that's two things. The first is masjid, and the second one is a house. So it's the near, it's the close, and this one is far. So that's why he said Haza masjidun. This is a mosque. Wazalika, and that is.
Okay.
Abayt, wazalika baytun. So that is close and that is far. So that's why we will use haza for this and zalika for that. Zalika for that. Got it? Haza masjidun. This is a mosque. Wazalika baytun. And that is a house. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, yes, it's clear.
Hmm. So this is close and this is far. So that's why he said that haza hisanun. This is a horse. Wazalika himarun. And that is a donkey. Wazalika himarun. And that is a donkey. So this dog is far. That's why he said azalika kalbun. Is that a dog? Is that a dog? So la no zalika qittun. That is
Yeah.
a cat. Yes. Ma zalika. What's that? What is that? So zalika sarirun. That is bed. This
So
thing
whatever
is
is far
near.
away, Salika.
Hmm. Ma zalika. What is that? Zalika sarirun. That is bed because it is far.
Mm.
Hmm. This one is close, near, and this one is far. So he said that man haza, who is this? Waman zalika, and who is that? Who is this person and who is that person? Man haza, who is this? Waman zalika, and who is that? So
Mm.
this is a teacher and this is a leader. Leader. So he says that haza mudarris. This is a teacher. Wazalika imam, and he is a leader.
Is it Mudarresun or Mudarres?
Mudarrisun. I said that the n in the last of noun. You can
Okay.
skip it. You can
Okay.
skip it. Arab people said so. Actually, it is mudarris, but they add n in the end of every noun. So this
Mm.
is that mudarrisun. You can say imam, but they add n in the end of imam, imamun. So both are right. So in is used almost in the written Arabic mudarrisun,
Mhm.
and in the spoken Arabic it is not used. You will say haza mudarris wa zalika imam. Got it?
Got it.
Right. Ma zalika, it's so far, that's why he used zalika, not haza. Ma zalika, so ma zalika, what's that? What is that? Zalika hajarun. Hajar means stone.
Hajar.
Both are same, but both this one and this one are same, but there is a little bit difference of dot. So without dot, it will be hajar, and when there is a dot below of that, so it will be jim, hajarun, zalika hajarun, that is stone. Got it?
Got it.
Hmm. Sukkar, sugar, haza sukkar, sukkarun, haza sukkar, that is sugar. No, this is sugar. This is sugar. Wazalika labanun, and that is milk. It is
Lebanon.
milk. Yes, Lebanon, right. Lebanon. Haza sukkarun. Sukkar means sugar. Wazalika Lebanon, and that is milk. Haza sukkarun. That is true. This is sugar. Wazalika Lebanon, and that is milk. Man zalika. Who is that? Who is that? Zalika Imamun. He is a leader. Imamun. Azalika qittun. So, what's the meaning of azalika qittun?
Is that a cat?
Right, very good. So, what's this?
La
Right.
zalika
Hmm.
kalbun.
Very good. Excellent. So, what's this?
Ha, haza no. Ha,
Hmm.
haza
Ma haza, ma.
ma haza
This is
ma haza.
meme.
Okay,
Ma
okay.
haza. Right.
Haza hajarun.
Very good. Excellent. So, haza hajar. What's the meaning of ma haza hajar?
This is stone.
Hmm. Right. Very good. Imamun, leader. New
Ma-
words. Hajarun, stone. Sukkarun, sugar. Lebanon, milk. This is sukkar, sugar, and this is Leban, milk. This is Imam, a leader, and this is Hajar, stone. In this lesson, we learn the use of zalika, meaning that, and wa, meaning and. Wa, meaning of wa is and. You can see here. This is wa. Haza baitun. This is house and wa.
wa-
Wa and. Zalika and that is mosque, masjidun. So it's the in Roman English. What is this?
Imam.
Imam. So it's Imam. This is
Sukkar.
sugar. Sugar. So sukkar. And this is
Oh,
milk.
Lebanon.
Stone. Mhm. So mudarris is this one teacher. So this is talibatun, female student. Sadiqun, sadiq, friend. And sadiqatun, girlfriend. Sadiqatun, girlfriend. This is muhandisun, engineer. Muhandisun. I think you have already written. So, tabibatun, female doctor, lady doctor. Tabibatun. So, what is this? Haza? Haza for male.
Haza.
Uh, Hazihi for female. So, it's the number wahid, first.
Wahid.
No first, but one. Wahid, one. One, two, three, four, five. واحد اثنان ثلاثة أربعة خمسة. So what's this? واحد,
Idun.
one. اثنان, اثنان, two. اثنان.
Ifnani.
Yes, اثنان, right. So ثلاثة, ثلاثة. S-A-L-A-A. S.
Salatatun.
No, thalathatun. Thalathatun is a L double A is thalatha.
Uh, you're saying
This one,
F-A-T. Yeah.
this one. No, 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 no. Mm, is is a
Yeah.
salasatun
Okay, got it.
is arba'atun arba'atun ARBA arba
Okay.
and
Arba.
T. Right. Khamsatun. KH. Khamsatun.
Hmm.
So, can you pronounce these five? One, two, three, four, five.
One is Wahidun.
Right.
Number two, Ifnani.
Hmm.
Number three is Salasatun.
Hmm.
Four is Arba'atun.
Hmm.
And five is Khamsatun.
Yes. So you can skip this letter. Salasun. You can say salasun. You
Ah,
can
okay.
say arba'un. You can say
Arba.
khamsun. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm. So there is a one thing that we will use for male number, this thing. Salasatun for male number. Arba'atun. Khamsatun. And for female number, we will use salasun arba'un
What
khamsun.
are
It is
female number?
opposite. Female number means that car is female in Arabic.
Yeah,
For
but
female. Yes.
which numbers
No,
are female, which numbers are male?
so, there is no male and female in the number, but I said that if you count something which is female,
Oh, okay.
if you
Okay.
count something which is
Okay.
female, like sayara, sayara means car.
Okay.
Car is female in Arabic. So you will use salasun, arbaun, khamsun.
Hmm.
Got it? So if you count something which is male in Arabic, just like book, kitabun, it's male in Arabic. So you will use salasatun, arba'atun, khamsatun. Got it?
Yes.
So this is a male, this is a number for male.
Okay.
Wahidun, isnani, salasatun, arba'atun, khamsatun.
And for females, how do you say?
For female, you will say this two are same. Wahidun, isnani.
Uh-huh.
And this is salasun. You will skip this ta.
Oh, ta comes, it's male. So for
Uh,
male, we say salasatun. For female, we say salasun.
right, it's that.
Okay.
Yes. So for male, we will say wahidun, isnani, thalasatun, arba'atun, khamsatun. It's clear? And for female, yes, for female, you will add ta there. Wahidatun, wahidatun.
Wahidatun.
Hmm. Isnani, salasun, arba'un, khamsun. Khamsun. Where is the rest of number? I think. So write it up to 10.
Okay.
Hmm. Sitta tun for 6. Sitta tun.
Tun.
Sitta tun.
Hmm.
There's for male. Salasatun, arba'atun, khamsatun, sittatun. And sab'atun. Sab'atun for 7. Sab'atun.
Saba'atun.
sab'atun, sab'atun, right. Thamaniyatun, samaniyatun for eight. Samaniyatun, samaniyatun. Is it clear? Did you write?
Yeah, yeah, I wrote Samaniyatun.
Yes. And for nine, tis'atun, tis'atun,
This
tis,
at
right, tis'atun,
this atun.
right.
This atun. Yes.
Hmm. And for ten, asharatun, asharatun,
Asharatun.
right. So the number for male is wahidun, isnani, salasatun, arba'atun, khamsatun, sittatun, sab'atun, samaniyatun, tis'atun, and asharatun. Yes, and for female, wahidatun, isnani, salasun, arba'un, khamsun, sittun, sab'un, thamanun, thamanun.
Samanun.
Yes, samanun. And after that, tis'un,
This stone.
asharun. So for eight, samanun, it is not samanun but samani. It
Yeah,
will be
Samanun.
samani. It will be
Oh, okay.
samani for female, samani.
Samani.
All right. So count it. I'm hearing to you.
Okay. Wahidun.
Mhm.
If now I'm telling all for males.
Male, yes, yes.
Wahidun.
Right.
Nani.
Hmm.
Salasatun.
Right.
Arba'atun.
Very good.
Khamsatun. Sittatun.
Right.
Saba'atun.
Right.
Samaniyatun.
Hmm.
Tisatun.
Hmm.
Ashara'atun.
Asharatun.
Ash-
Asharatun.
Asharat.
Asharat. Hmm. For
No
nine,
problem.
what was for nine?
Uh,
Nine.
Tisatun.
Right. Very good. And what was for seven?
Saba'atun.
No. Sab'atun. Sub.
Sab'at.
Right. Sab'atun. And for
Sab'at.
female, count it for female.
For females is Wahidatun.
Right.
Nani.
Hmm.
Salasun.
Hmm.
Arba'un.
Hmm.
Khamsun.
Hmm.
Sittun.
Hmm.
Saba'un.
Sab'un. Sab'un.
Sab'un.
For
Sab.
male, sab'atun. For female, sab'un.
Okay.
Hmm.
Sab'un.
Hmm.
Samani.
Hmm.
Tisa'un.
Hmm.
Oh, it's Tisun.
This one is right.
Tisun. Tisun.
Hmm.
Asharun.
Right. So it's wahidun for male and wahidatun for female.
Yes.
And this one is isnani for male.
And
So right, isnatane for female. Isnatane for
is
female. Isnatane. The
is
rest is yes. The
Natan.
rest are the rest number are right. Isnatane for female.
Is Natan.
So I am counting. For male, wahidun, isnani, salasatun, arba'atun, khamsatun, sittatun, sab'atun, samaniyatun, tis'atun, asharatun. And for female, wahidatun, isnatani, salasun, arba'un, khamsun, sittun, sab'un, samani, and tis'un and asharun. Right?
Did you say Tisun or Tisarun?
No. For nine,
Yeah, female.
for female, tis'un. Yes. Hmm. So, uh, this is for arba'un. So these are the books. Book are male in Arabic. So we will use arba'atun.
Okay.
Four books. Where these are the four books. So arba'atun, arba'a, arba'atun. This is one. So wahidun. This is three. So salasatun. This is two. Uh, these are two. So isnani. One, two, three, four, five. These are the five. So khamsa tun. Hmm. Oh, it means hal anta. What was the meaning of hal?
What is the meaning of?
Hal. This is hal.
Hal is, I think, is. No, no,
Is
no.
yes. Is are both.
Is an R.
Just like a.
Okay.
Yes. Hal anta. Are you Pakistaniyun? Pakistani. Hal anta Amrikiyun? Are you American? So, naam, yes, ana Pakistaniyun. Ana Pakistani. Ana Amrikiyun. Ana Amrikiyun. I am American. Clear?
Yes.
Hal means is or. Hal ante. Ante for female. Ante. Hal ante are you? So it's for male, Pakistaniyun, and Pakistaniyatun for female. Hal ante are you? Pakistaniyatun, Pakistani. Hal ante Amrikiyatun. Are you
American.
American? Yes. Naam. Yes. Ana. I am Pakistaniyatun. Pakistani. I am American. Uh,
American.
Yes, أنا أمريكية. In Arabic أنا أمريكية. أمريكية. I am American. I am American.
And
So this is
for example, he is American. We say Hua
hmm.
Hua
هو
American.
هو
American.
أمريكي right أمريكي. And she is American. How we will say?
Kia Amerikiyatun.
Right, أمريكية. Very good, excellent. So Turkiyun means
Turkish.
Turkish. Turkiyatun for female, Turkish. Misriyun, Egyptian. male. Misriyatun, Egyptian, but for female. Suriyun, from Soria, Sham. Suriyatun is for female. And this one, so this is Haza Akhi. Akh. Akhun means brother. And Akhi means my brother. Akhi means my brother. So Haza Akhi, this is my brother. Huwa mudarrisun. He is a teacher. Huwa mudarrisun. He is a teacher. Is it clear? So akh and mudarris, brother and teacher. So you will add haza here. Haza akhi. This is akhi,
My brother.
my brother. And you will add huwa here. Huwa, he is a teacher.
Okay.
So here, haza sadiqun. This is a friend.
Mm.
Huwa, no. Haza sadiqi. Haza sadiqi.
My friend.
My friend. Huwa tabibun. He is a
What?
doctor.
Okay.
Yes. This is haza akhi. He is
He's
my
my brother.
brother. Huwa muhandisun. He is a engineer.
Okay.
So
Oh,
for
this is my
female,
brother. He's engineer.
yes, engineer. He is engineer. And this is for female. Hazihi. You will say hazihi, not haza for female.
Hazi.
Hazihi ukhti. This is my sister. Hiya mudarrisatun. She is a teacher. Hiya mudarrisatun. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes,
So hazihi ukhti. This is my sister. Hiya, she is. Hiya, she is. Mudarrisatun, teacher. Hazihi sadiqati. Sadiqati. This is my girlfriend. Hiya tabibatun. She is a lady doctor. Hazihi ukhti. This is my sister. Hiya muhandisatun. She is a female engineer. So,
okay.
is it clear or
Did you say Mohandesiyatun?
muhandisatun? This is
Mohande-
muhandisun and this is muhandisatun.
Mohandesatun. Okay.
Right. Muhandisatun. So, akhun, haza akhi. This is my brother. Huwa mudarrisun. He is a teacher. Hazihi ukhti. This is my sister. Hiya mudarrisatun. She is a teacher. Haza sadiqi. This is my friend. Huwa tabibun. He is a doctor. Hazihi sadiqati. This is my girlfriend. Wahiya. Hiya. Tabibati. Sorry. Tabibatun. She is a doctor. Hada akhi. This is my brother. Huwa muhandisun. He is a engineer. Hazihi ukhti. This is my sister. Hiya muhandisatun. Muhandisatun. She is a female engineer. Is it clear? So it's very important to know the difference between Zalika and Haza.
Yeah. It's
Mm.
far close like that.
Yes, far and close. and difference between haza and hazihi, some difference of male and female, right?